Right, this is a recipe for Swiss style potatoes. The original recipe calls for baby potatoes, but I've got these lying about, so I'll just cut them into no bad size. This is my about 750 grams of potatoes. This will feed me about 4 as a side dish, 3 or 4 as a side dish. It's quite an indulgent. So, and the reason it's called Swiss style potatoes is because they use Gruyere cheese in it. Parboil the tatties for about 10 minutes, just until they're tender. And that's the tatties parboiled. They were in for about 7-8 minutes. They're just starting to go soft. Right, I've put them into an oven-proof dish, letting them cool a wee bit, and on to the next step. Ingredients: we've got about 70 grams of Parmesan cheese, 70 grams of Gruyere cheese, 3 cloves of garlic, and about a quarter teaspoon of freshly ground nutmeg. And I've got 300 millilitres of double cream in it. So it's just squeezing the garlic. Obviously, if you like garlic, you can put more garlic in. We love our garlic in this house, so. Right, and the nutmeg, just put that in there. Right, I've grated the 2 cheeses, and I've mixed in the crushed garlic and the grated nutmeg into the double cream. Next step is to pour the double cream over the tatties. The next thing is to get the grated cheese. Right, once you've got that on, give it a wee season with salt and pepper. Didn't go daft with the salt because the Parmesan cheese is quite salty, so that's ready to go in the oven at 180 degrees centigrade for about 40 minutes. Check it about 40 minutes. I'll put in for 20 minutes and have a wee check. Right, that's the tatties after 20 minutes. I'll put them in for another 20 minutes and come out, put a bit of foil over the top of them. That's the tatties back out the oven, so that's been 40 minutes. Now I'm sticking them for another 15 minutes, minus the foil. You know what, a wee bit of colour on them. That's the tatties out the oven, and basically they're ready to serve.